The Newsday continues here on One News Now. I'm Charles Lejano. The COVID-19 reproduction rate across Metro Manila continues to increase yet again. OCTA reports that the capital's R0 rose to 1.15 from 0.91 the week before. The group noted that the latest trend in the reproduction number shows a similar pattern with the trend back in February. Reproduction or infection rate refers to the number of individuals a known COVID-19 patient may infect. OCTA has assured the public that the situation in the NCR can still be mitigated by proactive measures, such as localized lockdowns. A Philippine coach will be sent home from the Tokyo Olympics after yielding back and forth false positive and negative COVID-19 test results. The coach is currently isolated and is set to undergo another confirmatory RT-PCR test. But Philippine Olympic Committee President Bambo Tolentino said that the coach will be sent home regardless of the result. He added that 2 sports will be covered by contact tracing and testing, and Tolentino hopes that the participation of close contact athletes will not be affected.
We decided na after the result, be it negative or positive, we have to sacrifice him and to let him go back home. Hopefully, after a series of tests na negative, yung affected sa contact tracing, then they can still compete.
Filipinos most affected by the COVID-19 pandemic in Malaysia are those working in retail and tourism sectors. In today's Laging Handa briefing, Philippine Ambassador to Malaysia Charles Jose said that some Filipinos there have been sent home to the Philippines while others were retained by their employers. Jose assured the Philippine government that they are providing basic necessities like food and relief packages to Filipinos residing there. Malacanang earlier said that they are considering imposing a travel ban on Malaysia if the Delta variant threat in the country worsens.
Ang embassy po with the attached agencies, we continue to extend financial assistance, shelter assistance sa mga stranded po ng mga Pilipino. Also, we continue to provide repatriation assistance sa mga gusto pong umuwi at kailangan po ng immigration clearance.
Life expectancy in the United States has dropped the most in more than 7 years as COVID-19 continues to send thousands of Americans to early deaths. More details in this Bloomberg report. We'll be back with more stories after a quick break. Keep it here. Still watching One News now. I'm Charles Lejano. A group of private hospitals is banking on potential new health workers as they prepare for a possible surge in cases because of the Delta variant. Private Hospitals Association of the Philippines, or PHAPI President Dr. Jose de Grano, told Agenda that fresh graduates and newly licensed nurses can help solve shortages in hospital staffing. De Grano also hopes that thousands of them will be able to help boost the country's pandemic response.
There are new graduates, new licensed nurses, almost or more than 5,000, and we are waiting for them to apply to the different hospitals para naman ma-augment ang ating mga healthcare workers.
Here are other stories we are keeping our eyes on. 2 doses of Pfizer or AstraZeneca's vaccines are nearly as effective against the Delta variant as they are against the Alpha variant, according to a study. The research published in the New England Journal of Medicine found that Pfizer's shots were 88% effective, while AstraZeneca jabs were 67% effective against the more transmissible coronavirus variant. A radio broadcaster in Cebu was declared dead on arrival after getting shot right outside his radio station this morning. Ray Cortez of DYRB was coming off his morning program when he was ambushed by unidentified assailants. And Pag-asa reports that Typhoon Fabian has maintained its strength, bringing strong breeze and near-gale conditions in Batanes and Babuyan Islands. Fabian is forecasted to move generally westward to exit the Philippine area of responsibility between Friday evening and Saturday morning. Japan is running simulations to ensure the safety of athletes and personnel during the Tokyo Olympics as it prepares for the worst following calamities in Germany and China. Let's watch this Bloomberg Quick Take.
もしこの大会期間中に地震やあるいは津波あるいは豪雨台風そういったことがあったときにどう対応していくのかというこのセキュリティ、これは政府のお力もお借りしなければいけませんので、そこはしっかりとどのように対応していくのかということについてはシミュレーションをしております。そして、こういったときに何をすべきかということを迅速にそれぞれの選手団あるいは関係者そういう方に伝わるようにしていかなければいけないということで、政府のお力もお借りしながら準備をしているところであります。
For more updates, visit News 5, the Philippine Star and Business World online. Visit our website, onenews.ph, for more in-depth analysis. And you can also catch One News on the Signal Play app. Register for a free account at www.signalplay.com so you can stream One News live anytime and anywhere. Mask on, wash hands, and stay safe, Philippines. I'm Charles Lejano. We are One News.